Did you recognize them? Those are real kings and queens from the 1890s transformed into a cinematic AI fashion show. Hi, I'm Luke Lopez and welcome to New AI Studio. Now, let's watch the complete fashion show. Thank you all so much for coming. It's very easy. Now it's your turn to create something amazing. I hope you enjoyed this cinematic AI fashion show. What you just watched started with old black and white photographs from the 1890s. In my next video, I'll show you the complete workflow from restoring historical images to generating cinematic runway videos using AI. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe to New AI Studio. I'm Luke Lopez, and I'll see you in the next one.